Hello dear students, today in this video in standard 10th we are going to solve the examples of practice set 3.2. Here first we should understand what is the nth term of an AP. Now suppose the given AP is 5, 8, 11, 14 and delta and so on. So here the first term A equals to T1, first term equals to 5. Now how we will find T2? You know that A plus D. A means first term is 5 and what is the common difference between any two consecutive terms? So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, so the common difference is 3. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8. This is the second term T2. How we will find T3? So A plus 2D, that is 5 plus D is 3. You should note here D is 3. So 2D means 2 into 3. 2 into 3 6. So 5 plus 6 11. T4 equals to A plus 3D equals to 5 plus 3 3s are 9 equals to 14. T5 equals to A plus what? The next term we will find by A plus 4D equals to 5 plus 4 3s are 12 equals to 17. In this way we can find the terms. Now if we have to find, suppose the 10th term, in this way we have to find 10th term. So how we will find the 10th term? So we will write T10 equals to A plus what? A plus 9D. So A is again 5 plus 9 3s are 27 and it will be 32. So now we have to understand the formula by which we can get any term. Suppose this is T10, we can get T50, T100. So from all these examples we can derive a formula. What is that formula? Now look carefully. जब हम T3 find कर रहे हैं तो we are writing here 2D, means if the term is third, we are multiplying the common difference by 2, means one number less than that term. If we are finding fourth term, we are multiplying here by 3, that is one less than the term. Chautha term, if the term is fourth, we are multiplying by 3. If the term is fifth one, we are multiplying by 4. So in this way, if we need to find Tn, the formula will be first A plus, now 1 less than nth term, so it will be n minus 1D. So this is the formula we can derive from all these examples. अब इससे हम कोई भी जो है term वो easily find कर सकते हैं. Suppose we need to find suppose 50th term, so T50 equals to A plus, again the formula is n minus 1. N means the number of term. The number of term is 50. So here we write 50 minus 1D. It will be again A is 5. In the same example, A is 5 and 50 minus 1 means 49D. And what is the value of D? Value of D is 3. So 5 plus product of these numbers is 147 and it will be 152. So this is the formula by which we can find the number nth term. Suppose 50th term, 68th term, 100th term, any term we can find quickly, but we must know what is the first term and D, common difference. Then we can find any term. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference. Now let's start this practice set 3.2. Question number 3. Question number 3 is find the 24th term in the given AP. The given AP is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. We have to find the 24th term. 24वां term कौन सा होगा? So solution, first we will write that A equals to T1 is, what is T1? A, what is A? It is 12. T2 is 16. T3 is 20. And T4 is 24. Now first what two things we need for the formula Tn equals to, what is the formula? Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Now here we need two things, a and d. So a is T1 is 12. This we know. Now we need d. So d equals to, d means common difference, means difference between any two consecutive terms. So we will find T2 minus T1. D equals to T2 minus T1 equals to, T2 is 16, second term is 16 and first term is 12. So 16 minus 12, the common difference is 4. D is 4. So this is the formula. This is the formula. Now Tn, we have to find T24. So T24, 24th term. 24th term, A is T1 is 12 plus n. N means which term we are finding? 24th sum. So that n will be 24 minus 1 into d, and d is 4. So 12 plus 23 minus 24 minus 1 is 23 into 4, and 12 plus 23 into 4 is 92. So this is 104. So we will write the answer. Answer is 24th term is 104. Very easy. This practice set is very easy and interesting also. Now we will solve question number 6. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers. 3-digit. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. So solution. The natural numbers 3-digit. The 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are. So what is the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 5? It is 100. Yes, 100. Then the next number is 105. Next number is 110, and so on. And what is the biggest 3-digit natural number divisible by 5? Is it 1000? Yes, 1000 is divisible by 5, but it is 4-digit number. The number less than it and divisible by 5 is 995. So the smallest 3-digit number we will write the smallest and biggest 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are 100 and 995. So in this AP, now again we will apply the formula. Which formula? Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Now here, so in this AP, what is a? We need one from these 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. From these 4 things, if we know 3 things, we can find the 4th thing. So which 3 things we know here? So here a equals to T1 is 100. Then common difference d equals to, what is the difference between any two consecutive numbers? So here a equals to T1 is 100. We will write T2 is 105. T3 is 110, and this is the last term, that is Tn. Last term Tn is 995, but we don't know value of n. Tn is nth term is 995. So here d, we will find d, T2 minus T1, second term minus first term. So again 105 minus 100. So common difference is 5. A we know, A is 100, D is 5, and we also know Tn, nth term. So Tn is 995. These things we know. So we know Tn, we know A, we know D. Now we will find the value of n. How many terms are there? So this is the formula. Again we write. This is the formula. Now Tn, nth term. So we will substitute the values. Tn is 995. A first term is 100 plus n we have to find, and D is 5. Therefore, now we will solve this equation. Here we have substituted the values. Now here we have written this line again. We will solve this. So therefore 995 minus 100 equals to n minus 1 into 5. Therefore this difference is 895 equals to n minus 1 into 5. Therefore 895 upon 5 will transpose 5 equals to n minus 1. Therefore n minus 1 equals to 5 goes into 895 plus 1 time, then 7 times, then 9 times. N minus 1 is 179, therefore n equals to 179 plus 1, and therefore n is 180. Therefore how many terms? This is the last term. So there are n means number of terms. So there are 180 terms which are divisible by 5, 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5, where the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest is 995. So there are 180 3-digit natural numbers, 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Okay. Question number 7 is the 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 60 and 29 respectively. Means the 11th term is 16 and 21st term is 29. Then find the 41st term of the AP. That is 41st term means T41 equals to the formula will be same, A plus n minus 1 D. Now here we need two things, that is A and D. Then we can find the 41st term. Now solution, we will start with the given information. Here T11, 11th term is 16 and T21, 21st term is 29. Let the first term is A and take the first term is A and D is the common difference. First term is A and D is the common difference. Now we will write the formula first. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. This is the formula. So T11 equals to A plus n means value of n is 11 here. 11 minus 1 D. Therefore and T11, what is the value of T11? T11 is 16. So 16 equals to A plus 10D. Now we will write it. This is point number 1. Okay. Now again Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. This is the formula. So now the next term is T21. So T21 equals to A plus 21 minus 1 into B. and T21 is this, its value is 29. So 29 equals to A plus 20B. Okay, this is point number 2. Now here we have got simultaneous equations with the same variables. We will solve these simultaneous equations and we will get the value of A and D. So what we will do here, we will subtract equation 1 from 2. So second equation is 29 equals to A plus 20D, and first equation is, this is the second equation and this is the first equation, 16 equals to A plus 10D. For subtracting, we will change the signs, negative, negative, negative. 29 minus 16 is 13 equals to A, negative A cancel out, and 20 minus 10 is 10D. Therefore D equals to 13 upon 10, and that is equals to 1.3. So here we have got D, common difference is D. Now what we will do, we will substitute this value of D in equation number 1. So write, substituting D equals to 1.3 in equation 1. So to write 16 equals to A plus 10, and the value of B is 1.3. Therefore 16 equals to A plus 10 into 1.3 will be, it will be again 13. Therefore 16 minus 13 equals to A, and therefore A equals to 3, right? A equals to 3. So here we have got 3 and D, that is 1.3, and also A. Now we will substitute again these values in the formula. Again the formula is Pn equals to A in the bracket n minus 1 D. Here, now what was the question? We had to find 41st term. So T41 equals to A is 3 plus n, 41st term, so n will be 41 minus 1, and the D is 1.3. So T41 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 into 1.3. So 3 plus, this will be 52, 4 into 13, this will be 52, and 3 plus 52 is 55. So the 41st term will be 55. In this way we can solve all these examples. That's all for today.